Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? Today's episode we got this cool Amazon here, and basically what these are some silicone tongs. And see, for the one that we got right here is a brand called Gorilla Grip. And for the one that we got right here, it does come in a pack of 2 of them. And for the one that we do have right here is a 7 and 9 inch. They also have this available in other sizes as well, so you definitely want to do your own measurement to see which you prefer. But first, I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the product looks like. So once you guys do take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So the top part right here, we do have the 7 inch. And the bottom one, we do have the 9 inch. And you see there is a big difference when you guys do compare it. If you guys end up getting like the bigger one, 12 inch, that one is even bigger than this one in the bottom. But the way how I use it is basically the same. So you see right now when you guys do use it, it won't open up because we do have a lock option right here. So if you guys do unlock it, you can see how it does work. So now you guys can open it and close it. But once you guys do pull this part here, that basically locks it in place. And that way you can not move it anymore. I feel like for the 9 inch is the regular size, where 7 inch is really small, and 12 inch is slightly bigger. I do feel like the 12 inch is better for you guys to use it for grilling stuff, because it does have a longer handle. But when you see on the side right here, they do have like the brand logo. And throughout the product, when you guys do feel it, it does have a very nice silicone material that is heat resistant, but also give you guys like that non-slip material. So that way when you guys do use it, it'll give you guys a very good grip. And if you guys notice, for the one that we do have right here is a gray color. They do have this available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see what you prefer. I do want to mention for this part right here, it's really cool how they do have a little hole. So that way if you guys want to hang it somewhere to organize it, you do have the option available. And because the material is silicone material, it won't scratch any of your pots, which is pretty cool as well. And for the silicone tongs that we do have right here, they do mention how it is rust resistant. And you do have the option to put in the dishwasher to wash it as well. So whether if you guys want to use it for your pots and pans, your grills, your oven, or anywhere else, as long as wherever you guys do use it does not exceed 484 degrees, then you should be fine. And obviously if it's the first time using product, you do want to wash the product before you guys do use it. But I do love the way how they designed this part right here. It's like a scallop design. So that way when you guys do grab stuff, it's much easier. So let's say for example, if you guys want to grab this tong, you can see how easy it is for you guys to use it. And then once you guys do let go, it definitely has a very good grip. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for these tongs, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for some high quality silicone tongs that you can use for cooking stuff, grilling stuff, or whatever. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, that basically don't buy one. And save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.